Hi Natasha, this is Gia from Academ IQ. We couldn't finish our conversation earlier. I understand you're interested in EMBA programs in India. How can I assist you further?
I wanted to know more about SP Jain. I have a CAT percentile of 95. Now, does that qualify me for an MBA?
With a CAT percentile of 95, you're highly competitive for SP Gen. They typically consider CAT scores as a significant factor, so with your score, you have a strong foundation for admission.
What kind of job opportunities can I expect after an MBA there?
SP Jan's EMBA opens doors to top-tier roles in consulting, finance, entrepreneurship, and more. Alumni secure positions in leading global companies and startups with a strong network to support career growth.
Okay, great. But as I'm currently working, what would the schedule of this course be like?
The schedule is designed to accommodate working professionals. Classes are typically held in the evenings or weekends, with recordings provided for convenience, ensuring minimal disruption to your work schedule.
What would this entire program cost me?
The program tuition fee is approximately 15 lakh rupees. If you're interested, I can share a detailed fee breakdown with you over WhatsApp.
No, that's okay. But what if for some reason I need to cancel or request a refund?
We offer a refund and cancellation policy that allows for a partial refund of up to 80% if requested within the first 30 days, depending on the stage of the course.
Okay, great. If I am interested, what would the next steps be?
To begin, you'll pay the registration fee of 3,000 rupees, after which we'll send all necessary forms, details, and confirmation on WhatsApp. You'll also receive a free counseling session at your convenience.
Okay, great. Can you please send me the payment link?
I have sent you the payment link on WhatsApp. Can you please check and confirm if you have received it?
Yep, I got it. Thank you.
Thank you for interacting with me, Natasha. Please reach out if you have any more queries.